Turn left. Then take a slight left turn. Take a slight left turn.
I don't think I've ever seen this many bikes anywhere. Look at this.
Arrive at Harley Davidson of
This
Quantico.
is Harley Davidson Quantico. It's almost like saying from wall to wall. Look at that. Look at that. From one side of the block to the other. A lot of bikes. Let's check out inside. I'm so excited to check out Quantico Harley Davidson. It's been a long time. I've been trying to get up here to see these bikes, and I finally was able to. The holiday traffic was crazy coming, driving north on 95, but nonetheless, I wanted to share this with you all and be able to see these bikes. It seems that Quantico Harley Davidson has a specialty, and this is these fat baggers is what they do. They have quite a few on the floor, and I hope you enjoyed the show. I didn't go up to necessarily ride one. I don't think they'll let you ride them unless you're buying. These are quite expensive machines. I think they're 60s, 70s. So they're quite expensive. So just joy riding them is not going to be possible. They are a road glide. They're building a road glide platform. I think they did have one that was more of a street glide look to them. But for the most part, these are glides, road glides, and they look good. The 180s, anywhere from 18-inch wheels to the black one that you'll probably see with the gold wheels, like 23-inch wheels. Different things that they got to do to those to make it work. You talk about triple trees, all types of things to get done to those. I like to look, but I also like my ST to be quite maneuverable. I like to ride it hard in the corners and the back roads. So I think this. People say it does well on straight roads and it's more planted, but I like to be able to maneuver my bike the way it's supposed to be running. Keep it light, keep it tight with the legends. So I don't know if this look is for me. I may look into it. I actually looked into it while I was up there. I think to go with the way I wanted to go is probably going to be around 4 or 5 grand. So, but these guys go out all out. They got the custom paint work. They got the stretch saddlebags. They got it's a whole deal. So they spank your bike out. But what I don't think any of the engines that I saw in any of these bikes were built out. Most of them are 114s on that base platform. So I hope you enjoyed the show. Just want to bring you these. They are certainly bangers. And I hope you guys come back and see me. Definitely go back up and see what we can do. The guy I saw was Mike. Do hit him up, speak to Mike, and tell him Ride to the Sun sent you. Andre came by, and next time he comes in, to let him take a ride on one of these custom rides. So thanks again. Glad you stopped by. Come back and see us again. Ride to the Sun. I'm out.